So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing one of the most expensive subscription slash beauty boxes that I do get on this channel. This is the Cohorted box. This is a UK based subscription box, so it comes from across the pond. And I really do like this box. It is expensive and it does have its hits and misses, but I'm really excited about this month's box. So if you want to see what I got inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Okay, like I said, we're going to be unboxing the Cohorted beauty box. Now, this is, everything is in pounds. So it's like 39 pounds. So it's about $50 US every month. I do like this. It reminds me of the AIA beauty box. So every month they collab with a different brand, which I think it's great. This month is going to be a skincare. However, the skincare, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's JORGOBE or Gobe. I'm not sure, but it's supposed to be like a really high-end skincare brand. So I just looked it up. So this company is based in the country of Denmark. So I'm so excited. All right, let's open her up. One thing I do like about this box too is once you get this box, it'll show you, if you look up, you'll know what the next brand is going to be. So that way you can either cancel it, keep it, whatever. I do like that. All right. What in the world is going on? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. I really can. Okay. Okay, Ann. Boy, she's tight. That's what he said. All right. So this is what the box looks like. I say it every time I unbox it. It reminds me if you ever get like the glossy box. It's very hard cardboard that you can actually keep these boxes, you know? Then when you open her up, it always comes with this black paper with a little sticker. Very nice. It always comes really nice. And then you get a little book. So it says, this is from the Cult magazine. It says March edition 2022. And then on the back, you have to scan this. Now, usually it tells you what everything is right here, and then you can scan it. But I don't have any prices, so I'm going to have to scan this and tell you. And here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit. So you don't get that many. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Usually you get a little bit more. So let's look everything up. Maybe it's expensive. I don't know, but it's supposed to be a really good skincare. Okay, so let me go on my phone, my other phone, and scan this and see what she says.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so this box is worth $121, well, pounds. If I say dollars, it's coming from the U.S., and I have a habit of saying dollars, but 121 pounds. Okay, so the first thing is, I don't know how to pronounce that one word, but this is a face oil, and this is 34 pounds. And I love me some face oil. I really do. And it's all full size. That's what the packaging looks like. You guys can see. It's like, I think this is glass. I love to put face oil just very little, like right under here, especially when I'm getting ready to do my makeup, and then right here because I'm getting those like frown lines, you know, but also like your hands, your feet. Like if you get a lot of oils, you don't just have to use it on your face, you know. All right, so it looks like this. I'm going to put 1 drop in. It's like an orangey color. Oh, yeah. And it doesn't really have a scent, which I like. Okay. I'm really excited to use this. I really love face oils. I never used to before, but I really do, especially like at nighttime. All right, let's read up a little bit about what she says. This has Bactual, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants that boost your skin's natural production of collagen, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and leaves your skin silky smooth. All right. I'm telling you, the packaging is really nice. Okay. So that's the first thing. Okay, so the next thing here is an AHA Glycolic peeling gel, and it is 24 pounds. Ew. For some reason, I really like this packaging. It's like sleek, right? Says how to use, apply a thin layer 2 to 3 times a week, ideally in the evening. Avoid the eye area. Do not rinse off. Following the treatment, your skin will be more sensitive to UV radiation. So always use sunscreen during the daytime. This is supposed to reduce impurities, wrinkles, and fine lines. All right. The next thing, which I love this is the Niacinamide serum. And this is 23 pounds. Also, because I don't want this video to be too long, but I like it because it tells you everything about it, benefits, how to use, all the ingredients, everything is in here. And I really like that. And that's what she looks like. This says apply every morning and evening to clean skin. Yes. It says niacinamide serum is highly concentrated and nutritious serum developed to recreate the natural balance of the skin. Okay. I use like this, like, who is it that has Beautylish brand? They have like a toner that I really, really like. Okay, the next thing says Hyaluronic serum. Ooh, so we have that. All right, and that's what she looks like. Let's see. So this is like a clear. Come on. Just like a clear, you won't be able to see. I just want to see what this feels like. Yeah, this is nice. It's not too thick, you know? All right, let's see what this puppy says. So this is 31 pounds. It says this fast absorbing serum with panthenol, which is vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid, with a low and medium molecular, no, I can't talk, weight, restores the skin elasticity, reduces fine lines, and enhances the skin's natural moisture balance. And it has 2% of hyaluronic acid. How to use. Use in the morning and evening on clean skin. Put 4 to 6 drops on the palm and massage into your skin. Also, the one serum, the first serum that we got, that face oil, always make sure you put on your face and your neck. Never forget to put stuff on your neck. I always say how you can tell a woman's age is by their neck and their hands. And we forget to do that a lot. So I always put on my face, my necks, and anything extra, I just do this. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we have one last thing. And this is a hand cream. This is the Squidlin hand cream. Alrighty. This is a decent size as well. I'm going to open this up and try it out. So this is 14 pounds. This has vitamin B5 and an organic glycerin. It says improves your skin moisture's balance. Of course, we know that. Okay, let's see. Then it tells you how to use hand cream, just in case if you don't know. You apply the cream into the palm of your hands, then gently massage the cream into the palms, backs of your hands, and cuticles until the cream has been absorbed. Okay. So it has a safety seal, which we like. We like that. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit on. I just want to see if it's thick, thin. It has like a nice scent to it. And it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's like a nice hand cream. I like very thick hand creams at night because I am diabetic and my hands get so dry. But this is perfect for like during the day and stuff. And it doesn't make your hands feel sticky. You ever have a lotion that's like greasy kind of like, and it's like you got to hurry up and wash the palms off because it's like sticky? This doesn't do that, so I'm glad. Really does smell good. Okay, so let's recap everything that we received in this month's box. So we have a hand cream. We have a hyaluronic serum, which I'm really happy to get this. What else we got? We have the niacinamide serum. I'm happy to get that. We have this peeling gel. What does it say? AHA Glycolic peeling gel. And then last but not least, we have this face oil. I really, really like it. Now, I knew this month was going to be skincare, like I said, and I'll get ready to tell you what next month's going to be for April. And you guys know, I'm like, oh God, skincare. I have enough skincare. But I do enjoy trying different brands that I never tried again. And this is supposed to be a really good brand. Because last month when I did, I never heard of it. And a lot of you guys in the comments were telling me about it. And then I was looking into it. So I'm really, really excited to try it. So let's see what next month's brand is going to be. I don't know if it's too early in the month when I'm filming this because it doesn't, right now, I don't know what next month's going to be. When I put this up, if it does tell me, I will put it right here and also in the description box. So yeah, let me know what you think of this box. I know it is quite pricey, and I really like the fact that they tell you what the following month is going to be. That way you can like cancel it or what, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Leave a comment. That helps me out too. Let me know what you think of this subscription box. Let me know how your day is going. Leave an emoji. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I am changing the channel up a little bit if you have not noticed. So I did do a couple like get readies with me and stuff. I also have a second channel if you want to get to know me more on a personal level. I will leave that channel down below. Almost forgot what I was going to say. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, that smells amazing. Really does. I'm going to put that right in my pocketbook. That hand cream. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm getting hot. I'm going to have to put my hair up. Yes, I will.